Hello everyone, welcome to DCC NITA YouTube channel. We are solving here code forces around 851 div 2 problem number C matching numbers. So in this problem we have been given an integer number n, and we have a set where all the numbers, or basically a permutation is there where all the numbers from 1 to 2n is present, and we need to select the numbers in pairs in such a way that let us take the number like this. Okay, let me take the numbers like this, that all the numbers from 1 to 2n is present, and I have to take the numbers in such a way that a plus b will be here, then c plus d will be here, e plus f will be here. Okay, in this way all the numbers will be present. Also it is given that my c plus d minus a plus b must be equals to 1. Basically the first pair and the second pair, let us assume that this is in sorted order right now. Okay, let us assume that this is in sorted order right now, and this pair, the second pair minus the first pair, will always give me result 1. So basically the difference between the next pair and the current pair is equals to 1, and any number is only one pair. Basically there will be n containers, and any number from 1 to n will either go to any of the one container. So we have to find, if it is possible, we have to find such a container, or basically we have to find that pattern, right? So what we can do is, in the problem, first we have to check that whether such a pattern exists or not. So it's a mathematical solution. First we have to see, let the number be x first, let the first number be, or basically the sum of the first pair be x, the next will be x plus 1, then it will be x plus 2, and then x plus n minus 1, because there are n pair, or basically n container, and the sum will be equals to 2n into 2n plus 1 by 2. This is a basic mathematical formula of calculating the sum of all the numbers, all the natural numbers from 1 to n. So here we have number from 1 to 2n, that's why we have calculated the sum from 1 to 2n. So this is the formula. So if this exists, then we can say that yeah, the solution exists, or else not. So for that we have x here, then x here, then x here. So we have nx, n time x plus n into n minus 1 by 2, because here sum of natural number will be till n, because 1 is present here, then plus 2 plus 3 plus till n minus 1 must be equals to 2n into 2n minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Basically what we can do, we can subtract from this, we can subtract this, and if the number is divisible by either n or x, then the solution exists, or else it does not exist. Okay, so till here we have found the answer till no or yes. But what if the answer is yes? How we will calculate the pattern to it? We know that if the solution does not exist, it will not be divisible by either n or x after subtracting. But what if the solution exists? What we will have to do here? So for that, what we can do, it's a constructive algorithm type of problem. For example, if we have to take till for example, let us take the case of 7, or let us take the case of 5. Okay, how we will set it? So first we have to find the value of x. The pattern will be something like this: x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, something like this, x plus 4. Okay, now also I have checked that for 5 it is giving me answer yes, that's why I have taken the example of 5. After that, what we have to do is we have to find the value of x. It's pretty easy, because there will be 10 numbers, so 10 into 11 by 2, so it will be equal to 55. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4 equals to 55, or 5x plus 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10 equals to 55, or x will be equals to 9. So right now I know that my value of x is 9. So the first number, the pair of the first number will be 9. So the constructive, we have to construct in such a way that the first will be 9, then it will be 10, then 11, then 12, then 13. Okay, because there are only 5 containers, so it will be till 9 till 13. Now how we have to construct it, we have to think it. So in the question also it was given, a hint was given that you can construct it like this way, that first we will take 1 here, and I will take what will be my target if I take it 1, so it will be 8 here, and after taking 8 plus 1, what we can do is that I can increment 2 here, so it will be 3, and decrement 1 from here, so it will be 7, 5, 6. Now I cannot increment more, now I have to take from 2 here, 2, and the biggest possible number 10, then 4 and 9. So this was something like the solution. If I take the case of number 7, what we have to do, it will be a bit more clear. Let me first check that is it available for number 7 or not. Let me check it first. If it is available for 7, then only I can show it too. Yeah, for 7 it is also available. Let us take the case of 7. Okay, so x plus 1, or basically comma, x plus 2, comma, x plus 6. It will be giving me 14 into 15 by 2, because there are 2 n numbers. So 15 7 ja 105. Okay, so we have 7x plus 6 into 7 by 2 3 21, that is equal to 21, is equal to 105. So 7x is equals to 105 minus 21. 7x equals to 4 and 184, or x equals to 84 by 7, that is equals to 12. So my value of x is here 12. So what we have to do, first I will take 1 and 11 in my first case, then I will increment it by 2, then it will become my 3, and decrement it by 1, 10, 5, then it will become my 9, 7, then it will become my 8. Okay, so till here I have done, and now I'll take the even numbers now. 2, the biggest possible number was now 14, so I'll take 14 here, then 4, and it will be my 13, and then 6, and it will be my 12, and then yeah, I guess pretty much this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, all the numbers have been taken. 1 has been taken, 2 has been taken, 3 has been taken, 4 has been taken, 5 has been taken, 6 has been taken, 7 has been taken, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, yeah, all the numbers has been taken. So let us confirm it from the solution which I got. So is it same or not? Let me check it. 1 and 11, yeah, first 1 and 11, then 3 and 10, 3 and 10, 5 and 9, 7 and 8, 2 and 14, 4 and 13, 6 and 12. So you can verify it like this. This was a constructive problem. The solution is pretty easy, only the thing was that you have to construct it in that way. So I have taken, first I wrote a very big solution which was giving me wrong answer, then I figured it out that yeah, we can do something like this. While I is less than equals to n and I am doing I plus 2, I am just giving it the value like this. So this was the pretty solution, and you can see the solution from here, it got passed. I did the same thing. First I took from 1 till the n and I do it plus 2, and initially I took the lower bound of that and did minus, and same with the even numbers, and this solution got accepted. So thank you.